Education Minister Rakam Sangma today said that the process for appointing the Vice-Chancellor in the Captain Williamson Sangma State University is on. A committee of the Education Department yesterday visited the site in Tura and also held a consultative meeting with the stakeholders. Speaking to the media, Rakam Sangma said that suggestions were taken in different aspects of the education sector, even as he added that they are working to make the university functional at the earliest. He also said that the efforts are on to make the State Engineering College functional at the earliest.
We'll consider all the board of management or the board of all the use process will follow, and I think as the Vice-Chancellor is appointed, the rest faculty members will be will be appointed at the earliest. But we are waiting for the due process to complete for the appointment of the Vice-Chancellor. We are on the process, and we thought of visiting this campus last week, but it couldn't happen. We'll be visit the campus next week, and we'll see around what things to be done. And the process, the application process, because there's some development, so these things will follow. I can't say any timeline, but at the earliest possible, when the due process is completed, we will certainly will start. When the process is completed, we certainly, because now the Patakama and Longzeng, we have already, the class will commence from this. It's being commenced. The admission is going on with the Patakama and Longzeng.
The ICFA University today held its 5th